Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. But today is a little different. Today is a thank you video. I hit 1,000 subscribers, which is a huge milestone in YouTube standards, especially for smaller channels. To hit that first 1,000 subscribers is amazing. So if you are new to my channel or you haven't been subscribed long, I'm gonna give you a little bit of information. It's gonna be a short video, hopefully. But I started my channel back in August of 2018. I started my channel as a dual niche channel. What that means is I cover two different topics that are not in the same area. I cover beard stuff and I cover outdoor stuff. Nowhere near the same. And I did that against advice of all these huge channels. They say pick one niche, stick to it, do this, do this, do this. But I chose to do a dual niche. Reason behind that, I chose to do a dual niche channel because I wanted to be able to connect these two. There are plenty of guys, we'll start with the guys, there are plenty of guys that are big into the outdoors, big into hiking and doing camping and all that kind of stuff, but they don't know anything about beard products. And then at the same time, there's plenty of guys in the beard community that are new to the outdoors, new to hiking, new to that sort of thing. So I wanted to bring those and mesh those two together and bring those two communities together with my channel. And I think we've done that so far. There's a lot more work to be done, but I think we've done that so far. And I am truly humbled and grateful for the support that I've gotten from you guys. So like I said, we just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm not saying I hit it, I'm saying we hit it. We hit it together. We're a family, we're a community, and I just greatly appreciate the support, the likes, the comments, the shares, the everything, the interactions that I get with you guys. I can't answer enough questions when it comes into my DMs. I try to respond to every one of them, which I do. It may take me a day or two, but I respond to every comment. I respond to every DM question that I get. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments. Shoot me a DM over on Instagram. Shoot me an email. Never mind, don't do an email. They get cluttered. Do DM or leave a comment. And I make it a point to comment and reply to every single comment on any of my videos. And I plan to keep doing that. I just wanted to come at you with just an update. Just say, hey, we did it. We hit 1,000 subscribers, and the possibilities are endless. But I have plenty of content planned, so much planned for this channel. I've got a schedule planned out for months already. Video ideas and stuff like that. But if there's anything that you haven't seen on my channel and you would like me to see me do, drop it in the comments. I'm all about suggestions. If there's something that you guys are looking for and certain content that you want to see that fits into my channel, drop it in the comments. If I can do it, I would gladly incorporate it. So just thank you so much. I am humbled. I am so grateful. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.